Best smart home routines under $100 to automate daily. Best smart home routines under $100 to automate daily. When you think about smart home automation, you might imagine an expensive setup that requires professional installation and drains your wallet. But here's the good news. You can build a genuinely useful smart home system that automates your daily routines without spending a fortune. In fact, with just $100, you can set up several meaningful automations that will save you time, energy, and money every single day. Let's explore how to make this happen. The foundation of any good smart home automation tip strategy starts with choosing the right hub or voice assistant. You don't necessarily need the most expensive option on the market. An affordable smart speaker with built-in voice control can serve as your command center and connect multiple devices together. These entry-level speakers typically cost between $30 and $50 and can control lights, plugs, and other compatible devices through simple voice commands or scheduled routines. This single device becomes the brain of your entire system, allowing you to create the best smart home routines that work together seamlessly. Once you have a hub in place, smart plugs are your secret weapon for automating almost anything. A smart plug is basically an outlet adapter that you plug into your wall, and then you plug your regular devices into it. This means you can turn any device smart without replacing it. A coffee maker, lamp, fan, or television can all become part of your automation system. Smart plugs typically cost between $10 and $20 each, so your $100 budget can cover several of them. You could set up a routine where your coffee maker automatically turns on at 6 in the morning, or your living room lights gradually brighten as you wake up. Lighting automation is where many people see the biggest quality of life improvement from smart home automation. Instead of buying expensive smart bulbs that cost $20 or $30 each, consider using affordable smart plugs with your existing lamps. Alternatively, some budget-friendly smart bulbs now cost less than $15 per bulb. Create a morning routine where your bedroom gradually lights up before your alarm, or set an evening routine where lights dim automatically at sunset. These lighting routines can also improve your sleep quality by reducing bright light exposure in the evening, which is a nice bonus beyond just the convenience factor. Temperature control is another area where smart home automation tips can genuinely impact your comfort and utility bills. Smart thermostats have become much more affordable in recent years, with quality options available for under $100. A programmable smart thermostat learns your schedule and adjusts your heating or cooling automatically. You can set it to lower temperatures while you're away at work and warm up your home before you arrive. Some models even have geo-fencing, which means they detect when you leave your house and automatically adjust the temperature. This kind of automation can reduce your energy bills by 10 to 15% without sacrificing comfort. Automating your security and peace of mind doesn't require breaking the bank either. Affordable smart door locks and video doorbells are becoming increasingly accessible, though they might eat up most of your budget if you choose them as your primary purchase. However, if you already have a smart hub and plug, you can create useful security routines with motion sensor lights. Set up a routine where outdoor lights turn on automatically when motion is detected at night, which both deters intruders and helps you see when you arrive home. These motion-activated light routines provide genuine security benefits while being incredibly affordable. The beauty of free smart home automation features is that most smart home platforms include them at no additional cost once you own the devices. Your smart speaker or hub comes with the ability to create complex routines that involve multiple devices and conditions. You can set up a leaving home routine that turns off all lights, locks your door, and adjusts your thermostat with a single voice command. You can create a movie time routine that dims the lights and closes your smart blinds, or a bedtime routine that locks doors, turns off lights, and sets your thermostat to your preferred sleeping temperature. These routines are completely free to create and use, making them one of the best values in smart home technology. If you're looking for curated recommendations on which specific products offer the best value for budget-conscious smart home enthusiasts, Smart Home Underwrite has tested and reviewed affordable options across every category. Their focus is specifically on finding the best smart home routines and products that won't exceed your budget, which takes the guesswork out of comparing dozens of options. The key to success with budget smart home automation is starting small and building gradually. Pick one or two areas of your daily routine that frustrate you or waste your time. Then focus your initial $100 investment on automating those specific things. Maybe you're tired of manually adjusting your thermostat, or you always forget to turn off lights when you leave. Once you automate those pain points and experience the convenience, you'll naturally want to expand your system. The best smart home routines are the ones that solve real problems in your daily life, not the most complicated or expensive ones. As you build out your smart home, remember that the goal isn't to have the fanciest system on your block. The goal is to make your life genuinely easier and more comfortable. A $100 investment that saves you 30 minutes a week and reduces your energy bills is far more valuable than an expensive system that sits unused because it's too complicated. Start with the basics. Create simple routines that work for you, and expand from there. Here's my challenge for you. Think about one thing you do every single day that you'd like to automate. It turning on lights, adjusting your temperature, making coffee. Comment below and tell me what daily task you'd automate first if you had $100 to spend on smart home automation. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for daily AI insights.